Welcome to another episode of Jesse's Racing Adventures. Today we're going to do the Slalom of Bure. This is a 2023 video because I've been having a lot of backlog data and I still had some good footage of that race. I will be actually doing the same race of 2024 this coming weekend. So I wanted to quickly share with you my performances I did last year so we can compare them once the race is going to be completed this weekend, and we can see if I have improved and the car if it has improved as well. So here I'm getting ready to start my first race run. I'm sparing you all the warm-ups and all the trial tests. These are two main runs back to back. We can see how the driving has been going, and you will see this track is really one of the nicest ones you can do in Switzerland, so it's definitely worth giving it a try for anybody who likes motorsports in Switzerland. Thanks for listening and enjoy the video. That was the first race run. As you can see, 3 minutes 21 seconds. I am in third position at the moment. So now let's attack the second race run. It is about to begin, and let's hope if I can improve the score that I did just right now. As you can see, the GR Yaris, and not only the GR Yaris but myself, also tend to do miss shifts from second to third. That is actually a problem that happens on many different Yarises. So it could be that there's something related to my driving or related mechanically to the car that can be improved. So let's give it a second shot in this second race run. Enjoy. Oh boy, what a hectic run this was. But in spite of all that, I actually went 2 seconds faster, so I did 3:19. But since I hit a cone, as you saw, I actually got a 10-second penalty, which officially my time is 3:29. But as you could see, I misshifted 5 times, and in spite of all that, and hitting a cone, I still managed to go 2 seconds faster. So that just shows how things change. The more you race, the more you get used to the track, to the car. And that's really showing that I might have gone way faster hadn't I had all these issues. And the cherry on the top is I actually got 4th place, and I also got a little trophy, so I'm super chuffed about that. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Racing doesn't always go as planned, but it was really fun. I love this track, and this weekend I will be driving the 2024 version, so there will be an update video really soon. So make sure to like, subscribe, comment, and if you like this video, you can share it with your friends. And thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you really soon.